everyone, Kayley here. Today I'm gonna put a ribbon on a bunch of hairstyles. I've seen this all over the runways for fall winter 2017 and I'm super into it because it's quick and easy. It's a great little upgrade for any style that you love and it's inexpensive. You can just go to a craft store and pick up some ribbon and instantly update your favorite hairstyles. So I'm gonna show you some hairstyles that go super well with ribbon and I think you're gonna like it. Let's get into it. Let's start off with an easy half updo. For this, you're just gonna grab a section on one side of your head and do your braid of choice. I opted for a rope braid on this hairstyle. Hold your place and then repeat the same thing on the other side. Now bring the two braids together and secure it with an elastic. Then grab a ribbon that's tied into a bow already and insert a bobby pin. Then you can use that bobby pin to pin it into the elastic on the back of your head. And there you go, it's quick, cute, and romantic. Now onto this tied up ponytail. You're gonna grab a hair elastic and tie a ribbon to it. Then secure your hair into a low ponytail using that elastic. Wrap the ribbon over the top of your ponytail and bring it several inches lower. Then wrap around the ponytail a couple more times before finishing with a small bow. This one is a somewhat more edgy way to make a ribbon work, and it could definitely be really cool on a short ponytail. Now on to everyone's favorite rolled out of bed hairstyle, the top knot. Complete your top knot of choice. It can be tight or messy, whatever you want. Then wrap a ribbon around and tie into a knot. You can use a hairpin to hold the knot in place. And with that, your oops hairstyle turned into a chic statement. And finally, let's move on to something a little different. Start by teasing your hair on the left side and the top of your head to create a little volume and fluffiness. Then bring your hair to the nape of your neck and twist once toward the left. Then point your hair up toward the ceiling and keep twisting a couple more times. Hold the hair with your right hand as the left hand sweeps around to guide the hair into the twist. Once you're happy where it is, pin it in place. Then twist the top around, tucking in the ends, and pin that in place as well. Finally, take a pre-tied bow and pin it to the side of the French twist. And that's it. This one is definitely a look, but I think if you want to go a little extra, it's definitely a fun and current way to do it. And there you go, an easy way to dress up your fall and winter hairstyles. Not to mention, this would be great for holiday parties. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. If you've already done that, hit the bell notification icon so you're updated every time I post a video. And that is it for today. I'll be back on Wednesday with my next one. Mwah! Bye!